precision engineering at its finest. The Rafale's internal fuel system is a marvel of modern automation.
Just a micro adjustment to the left. Perfect. Confirm the bulkhead is secure in the cradle.
The robotic arm applies the specialized penetrant die. This crucial verification step ensures the leak.
The structural mid-fuselage enters the automated cleaning bay, where high-pressure solvents remove all machining oils and debris.
Process A involves the meticulous examination of these specialized titanium alloy fasteners.
Thermal parameters stable on Sector 4.
Confirmed. Welding integrity is optimal. A massive robotic arm extracts the high-precision flaperon. Transferred to the chamber, a sophisticated...
The structural tank shell, now smoothed and welded, advances on the Process A conveyor, undergoing final inspections before reaching the sealing station. The structurally complete Rafale tank shell receives its final inspection marking. A robotic arm then laser...
These unpainted aluminum structures, verified by their QC labels, represent the successful completion of Process A.
Here. The AGV silently bridges the gap between heavy machining and the delicate electronic integration zone.
The specialized robotic honing tool achieves a near-perfect mirror finish on the F-2B actuator.
The internal baffling structure is secured using specialized vibration-dampening adhesive applied by a fine dispensing nozzle.
Okay, the probes are inserted. Go ahead and secure the clamp gently.
Secured. Let me double check the electrical connection points.
Pressure stabilizing right on target.
Acknowledged. The flow meters are reading nominal.
The probe meticulously scans the junction, confirming the integrity of the high-pressure seals established during Process B.
All indicators green. The transfer cycle is stable.
Confirmed. The mechanical components are functioning precisely as designed.
Welcome to Process B. Robotic sprayers apply the specialized polymer coating, adding an extra layer of protection against combustion.
This small, intricate component regulates internal tank pressure during ascent and descent.
The Dassault Rafale fuel seal system enters the final functional calibration zone, where it is connected to a sophisticated electronic...
Pressure is spiking at Mach 2.5, but the flow rate is stable.
The secondary pump engaging perfectly within tolerance.
The fully certified and functional tested Dassault Rafale integrated fuel system, or Process B product. The thermal map shows uniform heat distribution and confirms that no internal friction or excessive heat buildup is... The specialized transport carriage moves the certified Dassault Rafale integrated fuel system out of the manufacturing zone towards the logistics loading dock.
These samples are retained for decades, allowing for future analysis should any in-service performance issues arise.
There is the serial number.
Okay, scanning it now. Confirmed on the manifest, it's the correct part.
Guide the component slowly, watch the clearance. Pins are set. Starting bolt insertion.
Continuity check is good.
And pressure integrity confirmed. Final connection complete.
Fuel check complete. 80,500 kilograms confirmed.
This extended range is directly attributable to the optimized capacity and efficient operation of the integrated internal fuel system.
As shown here in Process B features, the anti-slosh baffles and reliable pump suction are critical in preventing engine flameout. This detail confirms the system's long-term maintainability, allowing access to the internal pumps and sensors while preserving structural integrity. The Rafale's strategic reach is directly tied to the integrated fuel system. Our calculations confirm maximum endurance and mission capability.
Fuel system check complete. Optimal pressure and fuel balance across all compartments. System nominal for flight.
As the Rafale climbs steeply, the internal fuel system pumps work continuously at